Hey guys, so maybe you already saw that we already have various kinds of configurators on our website, and Eternal Love is one of them, one of the latest, that you can choose to create 3D printable hard metals engraved with basically the names of your loved ones, for example. So you can do things like change text here, and change the model definitions like thickness, decoration thickness. So let's do that, like a decoration thickness. And that is all great. This algorithm and configurator is available to our silver plan subscribers. But if you are our subscriber, you can also opt in and choose to use our editors. Basically, how that works is you can go to projects, and if you have a silver plan, so I'm currently the gold plan user, you can go here and you will see a few example scripts on how you can use those same models in the editors of Rete, TypeScript, and Blockly. In this video, I'll just go really fast through those scripts and show how they differ and explain a bit what they do. So let's jump in and let's try and open this Rete script of the hard models. When you open it, it doesn't run automatically. You need to run first this play button, and if you do that, you'll see that components become active and they compute while resolving the geometries. Then the drawing happens, and at the end you see that we've created two hearts. And last time I edited the script, I did change the positions a little. So basically what we can do is just do this and make it like that. So let's change it to 110, and now the computation is finished, and you can check that these two models produced are now on top of each other, basically. Another important aspect is that you can create as many models as you want in these editors and tune them up as you like. So basically you see this heart is a bit has a bit wider decorations than the top heart. It has a different text, but you can also, if you want to, you can create a clone of this and just put it again on a different location, somewhere like maybe 100 of X, and let's put it like that. So now computation happens, and you see that we have 3 hearts already. Maybe you want to change the rotation to something like 45 degrees. Then it recomputes, it's busy. When it's done, you have a heart. Yeah, so this is how you can play around in Rete with all those options. And let's get rid of those. Let's keep it like that, the script, for people who want to check it out. Basically another thing, so we can enter the project directly through this modal, and we can open up the TypeScript example. So this is TypeScript environment. You see that we have these functions, synchronous functions. If you don't know what they are, then basically it's just a boilerplate for bit by bit to run asynchronous code. You see that we have waits here that require us to sort of wait till the model computes, and then we are able to draw it. So if you run it, you'll see that this time we've produced another kind of heart with the letters Love You George, and you can change those here. So you can say just hello, and TypeScript doesn't recompute till you click the play button, and you see that the same model is being created through this 3D printing metals Eternal Love create method. And you see that here you have all the options that you can update. So you can also, as in Rete editor, you can change the origin, for example, to be something like 0, 50, 0, and input rotation, for example, to be 45. Run the script, so it will go and be a bit higher, and it will be also rotated a bit differently. So yeah, I hope you understand how that sort of works through all the different environments and editors. And you might ask yourselves, why do we need 3 editors? And basically this is just a purpose for education. If you're a beginner, you probably want to start parametric design with something like Rete editor, what you saw before. Then you will probably go to Blockly, and we didn't see Blockly yet, but we'll do that now. And the TypeScript is the final sort of programming language that you can learn by using the same API as in other editors, but then by just writing code and having IntelliSense and everything here. So you see that now. If I do this input dot, I see what kind of properties I have. I do know what kind of inputs the entities expect, and so forth and so forth. So this makes this whole coding in TypeScript online a bit easier. Okay, so this is the TypeScript editor, and we can go ahead and check out the Blockly example. So let's launch that script. You see that the editor cleans everything, and now we can click play, and it will compute a little. Takes a while, but then it's done, and you can inspect the model as you did in TypeScript. So basically 3 coding environments, the same result. This is how it works. So basically you can just delete this, go to the things category, find 3D printing category, metals, eternal love, find that, put it in here, and just draw a Babylon mesh for it. This is just for a light, so if you don't have it, you'll see it. So if you disable this block, you run this code, you'll get basically the same model, but you won't see any shadow, so it will be a bit flat basically. So let's just enable this and click run, and that's it. So basically I think you understood what the idea is. You have the configurators, you have also the editor components for these models. So good luck. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's see each other in the next ones. Cheers, guys.